As a Towson High student, I am honored to be here today to celebrate this new chapter for our school and community. The renovation of Towson High means real investment in students, an investment that will make a lasting difference in how students learn, grow, and connect at school.
This project is a 5-year, 3-phase project. The first phase is to build a 5-story addition, and we anticipate that will open in the fall of 2027. The second phase of the project is to renovate the historic parts of the building. That part of the building will open in fall 2029. And then the final phase is to renovate our performing arts wing, and that will open the fall of 2030.
An investment that will make a lasting difference in how students learn, grow, and connect at school. A modern building will give students spaces that encourage collaboration, creativity, and curiosity.
It's really important just to give back to our students, to give them kind of a better school, better environment, because learning is the top priority.
This has been something for a long time coming, and I'm just excited to see what the school is going to look like.
For future generals, this building will not only enhance how they learn, but it will shape how they lead, contribute, and continue Towson's long-standing tradition of achievement.
Don't take it for granted because it looks really nice. I mean, it looks like a college campus in my opinion, and it's a big upgrade from what we have now.
While I'm sad that I will be missing out on this renovated building, I will definitely be back to visit. Thank you.